Have you ever made a huge mistake with your money? One that made you question every financial decision you've ever made? Well, I've been there. At 30, I was a millionaire, but just a few years later, I lost everything. Bankruptcy, call-up loans, you name it. I've experienced it. Today, I'm here to share my story with you and the crucial lessons I learned about managing money. If you want to avoid my mistakes and learn how to be good with money, stay tuned. You might want to save this video and use it as a guide. My story of financial mistakes. Let me take you back to when I was 30. I was making R1 million a year through buying and selling real estate. It felt amazing at first, like I had cracked the code to financial success. But I made a huge mistake. I borrowed too much money. I thought was the smart move, but it quickly became a trap. One day, I was served with letters of demand from my creditors. I remember the sinking feeling in my tummy, the fear of losing everything I've worked hard for. It was a wake-up call. We're on the brink of financial disaster and nearly declared bankruptcy. The stress was immense and I felt overwhelmed and worried about my family's future. It was a dark time, but it forced me to reassess and rebuild from scratch. This experience was a painful lesson, but it made me realize the importance of understanding how money really works. It's not about what your friend or family member thinks. It's about proven strategies, learning the basics. So, how do you avoid making the same mistakes? Here are some fundamental principles. 1. Live on less than you make. This means budgeting and sticking to it. In South Africa, where the cost of living can vary widely, it's crucial to track your expenses and make sure you are not spending more than you earn. Start by listing all your monthly expenses and income. Identify areas where you can cut back dining out or entertainment and reallocate those funds to savings or debt repayment. Number 2, get out of debt. Debt is like a heavy anchor. When you don't have payment eating up your income, you have more money to save and invest. Create a debt repayment plan by listing your debt from smallest to largest and focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payment on the others. This method, often called the debt snowball, can build momentum and keep you motivated. 3. Save and invest. Start with an emergency fund to cover at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Once you have that cushion, move on to investment. South Africa has many opportunities for smart investments like real estate or the stock market. Consider consulting a financial advisor to help you make informed decisions and diversify your portfolio. I've linked a free Money Master PDF in the description box that dives deeper into every aspect of your finances. Now, let's talk about some specific tips for South Africans. 1. Budgeting. Use apps like 227 or Money Smart to keep track of your spending. These apps can connect to your bank account and give you real-time insights, helping you stay on top of your finances. Set financial goals within these apps to track your progress and stay motivated. 2. Cutting costs. Shop smart. Use loyalty programs at stores like Pick n Pay or Checkers. These programs offer discounts and rewards that can add up over time. Buy in bulk and look out for specials to reduce your grocery bills. Consider carpooling or using public transport to save on fuel costs. 3. Investing. Consider investing in local assets like South African government bonds or JSE listed companies. Bonds are low-risk investment that can provide steady returns while the stock market offers opportunities for growth. If you are into property, look for up-and-coming neighborhoods with potential for appreciation. Property investment can provide rental income as well as capital gains. If you want to find out the best strategies to invest in real estate, then visit propertyaskof.com to book my free consultation. The power of generosity. One surprising element of financial success is generosity. Data shows that people who give are often more successful financially. Why? Because generosity makes you more attractive and likable, which can open up more opportunities. For example, helping someone in need not only feels good, but can also create a network of support. This isn't just about money, but about being generous with your time and resources. Volunteering can lead to new connections and opportunities that you might not have encountered otherwise. Being known as a generous person can also enhance your reputation and open doors in both personal and professional realms. Question: are you tracking your spending? Are there areas where you could cut costs? Have you considered the impact of generosity on your financial success? What steps can you take today to start improving your financial wealth? I have another video on the 4 basic skills you need to know, and I will link it here for you as well. Managing your money isn't just about numbers. It's about changing your mindset and habits. Live on less than you make. Get out of debt. Save and invest wisely. And don't forget the power of generosity. These principles can transform your financial life. Remember, it's not about being perfect, but about making progress. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial situation improve over time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Share your thoughts or questions below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and stay tuned for more tips on Money Talks with Ekow.